I just found this program which is Google Cloud in partnership with Hack to Skill, running completely free GenAI Academy. It have real hands-on lab, it provides a Google certificate and apparently even an Ideathon at the end. It gives you real prize money on the table. And instead of just telling you about it, I'm actually doing this live on camera starting right now. So if you have been wanting to break into AI agents and Google Cloud, follow along. We are registering together in this video. So here's the thing, why I'm actually doing this. I could just read about the program description and move on, right? But honestly, half of these free certification videos online are made by the people who never actually went through the program. I don't want that to happen. So this is video 1 of the series of Cohort 3 run by Google Cloud in partnership with Hack to Skill. I'm registering, picking a track, doing an actual workshop and labs, taking the assessment, and yes, even attempting the idea audit. You're going to see every stumble, every wait. What does this mean? Movement in real time. So let me give you a quick context before we jump in. So what is this program? This is GenAI Academy. APAC Cohort 3. It's built entirely on Google Cloud's Cloud Run and the Agent Development Kit. You're not just watching videos and getting a participation certificate over here. This includes real hands-on code labs, an MCQ assessment, plus a track-specific assessment, and it wraps up with the Ideathon where you actually pitch a real-world solution. It's free, it's online, and everything is available on demand. So if you're watching this thinking I don't have time for live sessions, don't worry, neither do I. So they do have recorded sessions which we can watch in your free time and work on it as you want. So there are 3 tracks to choose from actually. 3 tracks over here are, I'll do a full breakdown comparing them in the next video, but quick review. Track 1 is for build a customer facing AI agent like a coffee shop assistant, in which we will be using a Cloud Run and RAG. Track 2, it turns business data into decision using Gemini and BigQuery. So while coming to track 3, it's about building a personal productivity agent. So for today, we are just focused on getting registered. Track selection is its own conversation. Let me show you how to register. I'll give you a walkthrough over here. So let's find the registration button, which is at the top of the web page. So register now. Alright, let's actually do this. I'm on Hack to Skill event page right now. Link is in the description, so you can follow along on your screen too. If you don't already have a Hack to Skill account, you will need to create one. Use an email you actually check, because this is where all the progress submissions and certificates get tracked. Once you're logged in, let me just log in. So once you're logged in, you will land on the event page for the APAC GenAI Academy. I'm clicking into the cohort 3 tab specifically. Since that's the currently active one, now here's the registration form. It consists of, basic details like you would need to enter your full name, email, your WhatsApp number, date of birth, gender, and it would also be having country, state, province, city, along with which you can just select the occupation as college student, with which you'll be having college name, college country, college state, and basic detail with your stream and specialization passed out here. It will ask you to select your track. I'm going to leave this on my initial pick for now, but like I said, full breakdown is coming in the next video, so if you're unsure, you can just watch it. So the GitHub profile and LinkedIn profile are not mandatory. It would be better if you just provide it, enroll which you are actually interested in, submit, and you are in. That's it. That's a genuinely whole registration process, maybe 5 minutes if you already have your details ready. So that's step 1 officially done. In the next video, I'm breaking down all the 3 tracks properly, what you actually build in each and which one is realistically best for individual and which one I'm committing to and why. After that, we get into the actual workshops and code labs. So if you want to follow this journey with me, registering, building, and hopefully making it to the Ideathon, subscribe now so you don't miss onto the next video, because that's where the actual technical stuff starts, right? Drop a comment if you're registering alongside with me, and I would be genuinely love to know that. See you in the next one.